if you're experiencing a stuck loading screen in PUBG, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue. Follow these steps to optimize your game experience. Step 1. Restart the game. Close PUBG completely and restart it. This can clear temporary glitches that may be causing the loading screen to hang. Step 2. Check server status. Visit the official PUBG server status page to ensure that the servers are up and running. If there are ongoing issues, you may need to wait until they are resolved. Step 3. Update the game. Make sure your game is updated to the latest version. Check for updates through your game launcher and install any available patches to fix bugs and improve performance. Step 4. Verify game files. If you're playing on Steam or another platform, use the file verification feature to check for corrupted or missing game files. This can help restore any files that may be causing loading issues. Step 5. Adjust graphics settings. Lower your graphics settings in the game options. High settings can sometimes lead to performance issues, especially on low-end systems, which may contribute to loading problems. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the loading screen issue in PUBG and enjoy a smoother gaming experience.